Today I'm back with another short story called Exchanging Turquoise for Happiness. DangphuDingphu there lived an old man called Meme Hele in a village in Bhutan. One day Meme Hele was digging a meadow when he found a large round ewe, a turquoise. He stopped digging and went home carrying the stone. On the way he met a man with a horse who asked him, "Where are you going, Meme Hele?" The old man replied, "My misfortune is burning today. As I was digging a meadow, I found these checkers." Before the horseman could even say the truth, Memehili proposed, "Will you exchange your horse with this stone?" The horseman was speechless, for who in the world would barter checkers with a horse? Memehili put down his basket and showed the truth. The horseman was only happy for the poor old man. "Will you exchange your horse with it?" Memehili asked again. "Don't joke, Memehili. Your youth is priceless, whereas my horse is worthless." "Priceless or worthless? You talk too much. If you are for the trade, take this stone and hand over the horse rope to me," Memehile said, looking stern. The horseman lost no time in passing the rope to Memehile and went his way with the stone. He felt like the happiest man in the world. Memehile went his way, also feeling happy. In fact, he felt happier than the horseman. On the way he met a man with an ox and exchanged the horse with the ox. He then bartered the ox with a sheep, only to exchange the sheep with a goat. He took the goat until he traded it with a rooster. In every transaction, Memehili thought he was better off, while all his barter partners considered him a fool. As he went home carrying the rooster under his left arm, he heard a song from some distance. The closer the music came, the more joyous he became. Tears of happiness filled Memihele's eyes as he listened. "I feel so happy from merely hearing the song. How happier I would feel if I knew how to sing it myself," he thought. Suddenly he came face to face with the singer himself. The songman asked, "Where are you going?" The old man smiled. "Today my misfortune is burning. As I was digging a meadow, I found a turquoise. I exchanged it for a horse, the horse for an ox, the ox for a sheep, the sheep for a goat, and the goat for this rooster. Take this rooster and teach me how to sing." The songman did not believe his ears. He thought it was unlikely for a poor man to find a turquoise. Only the richest, powerful, meritorious, or luckiest persons would ever find such jewels. And he thought, supposing this poor old man was lucky, even a fool would not exchange it for a horse, the horse for an ox, the ox for a sheep, the sheep for a goat, and the goat for a rooster. One mistake would have served a lesson even to a fool person. However, the songman was finally convinced that Memehele was serious about his trade, so he taught him his song. After parting with his rooster and the songman, Mehele went home singing the song. Mehele felt he was the happiest person in the world, the richest person in the world, and the most successful trader in the world. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me.